Hello everyone. There are four modes to distribute items. In Lecture 5, I shall explain image and path mode. Image mode distributes items according to an image or a map. Each pixel is a potential item. As we can see in this example, the items are on the white areas, while the black are empty spaces. Open Distribution Rollout image, then click here. There are many distribution maps provided by Forest. Or we can use any other image as a distribution map. Click Bitmap and choose an image. Density window. There are two options to set the density of items. First is changing unit value. Higher values means less items and vice versa. By default, aspect ratio of the distribution map is locked. Unlock the aspect ratio to change the x and y values separately. The second way to define the density is fit to scene. This way will make the distribution map fit to a surface. Pick a start point and an end point for the map on the surface. Let's change the distribution map. Here we have Draw Gizmo Corner. Activating this option will show a cross represent the corner of the distribution map. We can see here there are 4 crosses, which means that the image has been repeated about 9 times. Making the unit's value very low to increase density, it will show maximum density message. And that's because the Forest pack has a limitation for a maximum number of items. Also, it takes longer time to process the caps. So, it's better to use an image with higher density than repeating the distribution map and make the unit value very low. So if I have this distribution map and I want to increase the density, it's better to use this map instead of keeping this one and decrease this value. Here we have another options to control the distribution map, like rotation and X offset and Y offset.